Hi, my name is Lily.
And I'm Plamen.
Let us share the latest secure transport features
and improvements with you.
This month, we've updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list.
With this update, SecureTransport starts supporting NFS 4.1. A new section has been added to the on-premise installation guide, which includes requirements and recommendations for the NFS client-side mount options. Additional information related to using Amazon EFS as shared storage is also added in the Setup an EFS Volume section of the AWS installation guide.
Experience seamless updates with our zero downtime process, now validated on Azure Database for PostgreSQL. Ensure continuous operations and robust data protection, even with a passive disaster recovery setup. Upgrade with confidence and keep your business running smoothly. Contact us today to learn more. Discover the enhanced administration tool, now offering keyboard accessibility in compliance with WCAG 2.1 Level A. Improve your workflow with seamless navigation and ensure inclusivity for all users. Upgrade today and experience the difference. This release introduces a beta version of a new AS4 protocol connector for SecureTransport. It supports server-initiated push and pull transfers and is deployed as a transfer side plugin. To access this beta version, contact your Axway representative or send us an email.
Stay secure with SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 15, the only supported SLAS version for SecureTransport. Check the list of supported platforms to ensure compatibility. The link is available in the description below. REST API 1.0 to 1.3 resources are no longer supported. Update your custom code accordingly to avoid disruptions. For more details and guidance, refer to the knowledge base article in the description. Our comprehensive support and resources will keep your systems up to date and running smoothly.
We are thrilled to announce the launch of a publicly accessible GitHub project. It showcases real-life examples of using SecureTransport's REST APIs. Check out the examples and don't hesitate to collaborate by sharing your preferred automation methods.
Thank you for watching.
To apply this update, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next one.